Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Today we're making cookies. And you see we all have trays and fork and spoons and knife and the cookie batter.
It's Monday, right?
And the cookie batters.
Yeah.
And the cookie batter's so soft and gooey. It feels gooey and it feels pretty good. It feels so cool. It feels so good on my hand. And let's have this. Alright, how do we start?
Take a spoonful.
Yeah. Oh.
Take a big spoonful. Yeah. Now roll it in your hand.
This feels gooey.
Okay.
It feels good. It's in the ball.
Okay, so let's see what we do. Okay.
Here's my ball.
Yeah, and we'll put it right on the cookie sheet. Okay, we make a nice big spoonful. Here, I'll cut them for you, okay? And you can roll them.
Right there. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
And this is pretty fun, actually.
It is.
You should do it one day, guys, because this is actually super fun. And we have Kool-Aid and Oreo. And if you want some, just come check out us. Because it's pretty cool. Alright. Let's go back to making these.
Yeah, we gotta go back to making the cookies. Yeah, let's line them up.
Can you do this one? Yeah.
It's squishy, huh? Yeah, I'll cut you some more.
Gooey and stretchy. Squeaky, to 350, and sometimes I forget because I'm just a little girl, and sometimes I guess what like stuff say, and you need to bake them for 12 to 14 minutes.
And then we can eat cookies.
And decorate them.
Woohoo! Really?
Okay. Let's go back. Come on. Alright.
I know.
First trays done. The chocolate chip bucket.
Okay.
Isn't that funny?
That is funny.
We're making a lot of cookies, so we need to decorate a lot. Right?
Yeah.
Hi, Papa.
Pumpkin.
We're making cookies.
You're making cookies. Do you know how?
Yeah, look.
Yeah. Oh, those are cookies? Round ball cookies? I've never seen round ball cookies. Is that a new kind?
No, we're cooking them after.
Oh, you're cooking them after, and then what happens to them?
You eat them.
Yeah.
Oh,
but
they stay like round balls like that? I've never had a cookie like that.
No, they turn like a
Flat.
circle.
Yeah.
Oh, do they? They flatten out?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Wow, that's something. Hey,
I got some in Grandpa's hat.
Oh no.
You wanna watch us make it?
yeah, I'm watching you make it.
Alright, there.
Boy, you're doing a good job.
We got some there.
Say I know.
Okay, we're almost done.
Almost done, yeah. Are you gonna put some chocolate morsels in those?
They already have them.
Yeah.
They don't
okay.
have enough. Don't you think they
Okay.
need more?
No.
No, I do. Grandpa thinks it needs more.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Circle. Green.
Wow, you're doing such a nice
Squish.
job. Oh.
Is this round enough?
You bet it is.
Yeah, that's round enough. It's gonna go in the middle though. It's gonna go right there. See how they're nice and spaced? So that one's gonna go right here, Pumpkin. Good. Oh, too far, too far. There you go.
This doesn't make sense. Like this.
Nice and round. See how Bachi's doing it?
Yeah.
There you go, just like that. What a good girl.
And
And where does that one go? Right there. Perfect.
another one for me, please.
All right, it's got to go right in the middle there. Let me wash my hands and then we can put these in the oven.
It goes right there.
Mason, can it nice and flat.
Yeah, right there.
But this one's not nice and flat.
Oh, it's not? Oh, okay.
We want them perfect, right?
Mhm.
Because that's how Santa Claus likes them.
Oh, you're not giving these to Santa Claus, are you?
No.
No,
you're
not
giving
these.
them to Grandpa, right?
We're giving them to
No.
Mia. Yeah, Mia's
Grandpa's
cookies.
starving for some cookies.
They're not done.
I'm starving.
Say
I'm
when
starving for cookies,
when they're
Pumpkin.
done.
When they're done.
You didn't save me no pizza from the other day or nothing. You don't save Grandpa anything anymore. How come?
Like, because I forget about you.
Oh, don't forget about me. I never forget about you.
Okay, let's put these in the oven. Here, wipe your hands.
I need a wet one.
Okay, wait a minute.
Or maybe I can wash my hands.
Okay, you're gonna time them.
Like, apparently Grandpa's in front of the camera if you saw.
It's 12:23 on here, that's why I went by.
If the green saw it.
Oh, that thing is still
And
recording. I forget
after
about
when you roll the cookies and get a seat, you need to wash your hands because they're going to be sticky. And then when you're done rolling them up, you bake it
Say for 12 minutes.
for 12 minutes.
And then we take them out, let them cool.
And then decorate.
Hey, we can eat them.
No, decorate.
Okay.
And then we're gonna decorate, like how kids, so that your kid can read. Probably your kid just did it. Yeah,
Hey, look at that. 4 more cookies.
4 cookies on that tray. Wow.
Okay. Whee! Whee! I'm spinning the tray, Batsy.
Oh, man.
Whee!
Okay.
Let's finish the cookies.
That's gonna be a giant cookie.
Whoa.
I'm gonna have this cookie, I guess.
Okay.
No, it's too big for you. Grandpa will eat it.
No, it's not.
Here, we'll space it out like this. Okay, because there's only 4. Okay.
Okay, we'll put it. No, you're gonna put them the way back you had them. There you go. Okay. Wanna fix them, Baki?
Ooh.
Fix them.
Don't fix them.
They will all squish together and not make.
Yeah, it won't
Wait,
cook right.
I know.
What?
Wait,
gonna put it in.
before you go in.
Okay. What do you want to do?
Cookies.
Oh, there's only one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought there was 2 in there.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. She fixed them.
Okay.
No, I didn't.
Not too close because then it won't cook. You got to give it room to bake, honey. Okay, so that's why they're in the
There.
middle. Just like that. Okay.
I can't. My hand's dirty.
Okay, let's put them up by the stove.
Can we make more cookies?
Ooh. We'll see how these come out when we're done, okay?
Okay, what's
Let me
that?
clean the table and then you're gonna wash your hands. Go
And
ahead.
sometimes Grandpa does that.
What?
And
What did Grandpa do?
Grandpa like this. What is that? Like that.
That's funny, huh? Should we put the light on and just check on the cookies?
Oh,
Okay, look at the oven door.
oven light.
Whoa.
And then I'm gonna do the next one.
They look yummy. No, 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 no. You're setting the temperature for the other oven, honey. Don't press the buttons.
Don't the cookies look yummy? Look at them. And they're like, this side is like mountains flat. I mean mountains of chocolate morsels.
They
A
look
lot,
delicious.
They're all poop because the chocolate morsels are like poop. Get it?
You're so funny.
And do you want to see my pillow foot?
Whoa.
I know it's doing, I know. But I'm still walking on it.
And here's the pillow fort.
Get
Wow.
it?
Hey, you have to be careful.
Okay. So I wouldn't fall in it. And sometimes I put my feet in the clock. Cute. Going back to the cookies, okay? And sometimes, like, I make like videos, and I never make a Roblox video. And like for mommy and daddy, like they won't let me play Roblox anymore. And we just pause the video and look at the cookie, and you see we always took some out right there. And you don't see the chocolate morsel that we eat it. And if you like put it in the oven, it starts melting.
Mmm, that's delicious, huh?
These are peanut M&Ms, and these are Hershey Kisses.
Whoa.
And that's what I'm using. So Bobsy said it's not going to stick around. It's going to fly up on me.
There, okay, that's plenty. What?
That's okay.
There.
I'm just gonna
Mia wanted to decorate it.
taste test. Good.
Okay, taste test.
Good.
Delicious. Say, give me a thumbs up.
Give me a thumbs up.
See you next video.
See you next video, but wait. Hit that subscribe button and turn